Hey guys, hi everyone, good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel. What I want to talk about now, this video where I come across for social media, Facebook, where this lady, people like say her baby father come bust am for house with another guy, and the man talk say after just 3 days he just left this woman, and she was so quick to bring this guy home to come lie down for a bed. So this kind behavior, I don't know how una say am sha, but for me I find it very disgusting and disrespectful to her own self and to the man wey the video her. So let me play it, then we'll dive into the commentary.
Yeah.
Fine. It didn't do it on my house, really, I'm you understand. But my grand, yeah, you understand. So when you go that way, because if there is a little one, wow, there's a little one, you understand. I remember that way, what has no whatever. So when you do, you know, where I now ask the one, you understand. But at this point, at this moment, it went on, but anyway, okay, with you,
But well, okay. Sorry to say. Okay. What? We were ready, man. We get na ham we. Or make say be the admit ba onare. Gives you not you tell us say never tell come for you.
Which year?
We just come for this place.
No, last Sunday come up for you.
Okay. Also, we but I was this
Sunday. We got travel. I tell her.
Over travel to this. Because there was that next year. I don't know if we were wrong. Maybe that was more good for. And that's not we are done with the call whatever. Okay. That's also the call we are coming, you understand?
Fight on Tom. Leave pass. Now what I see to your brother, I'm not interested.
You are not interested. What do you call it? Say a prostitute or that?
Anyone way you call her. Now my life, not be your life. I'm not interested.
You are a disgrace to a woman.
No, I hear. Good for you.
Nonsense.
They break everywhere, Casablanca. I both start to pass you fat and oil, very vital fat and oil. Now married woman, I be this normally. We know say yes, they never put money for her head, but as far as say you don't born for the guy man like this now, normally now, you are the guy man still the killer. You suppose put your head down, use your HQ, use your headquarters. You know understand? You may you know say yes normally now like this, so you never ready to settle down. You not go fuck me you born. Okay, you don't born one pikin for the gamma now on a lap normally. Then you still they carry the do. Who does that, oh my God? Who does that? Now carry do it so now they carry do for this my industry, so and we plaster follow now normally. You know understand? They say they know they test person for this life. Now you go test yourself, use your headquarters, Ororo, HQ. You know understand? A very early carry do is beyond this one. You get guy man you born for normally, they carry your boyfriend they come and call the lash normally. Who does that? Say she don't want to again.
Never you trust anybody.
Yeah.
Because this is the girl when we call yesterday. She tell me say she go come my city. She they go assist outside, I don't know. Okay, what you tell me?
Why I can't send me ticket?
Okay.
I go to God.
Now, you want to send you ticket when your boyfriend stay with you. Then I'll send you ticket when you go your sister. You want me to use this book, take it to your mouth.
You want to wait?
Oh, no more.
You want to wait?
Man, scatter your mouth for you.
Scatter them, I beg. Scatter them, I beg.
You know, say this the same
I don't
thing.
tell you, say I'm not married. You don't talk, say you not go marry.
This is the same thing.
Wait, now this is still tell your brother. I'm not a right on tongue. Leave pass. Now what I see to your brother, I'm not interested.
You are not interested. What do you call it? Say prostitute or that?
Anyone way you call her. Now my life, not be your life. I'm not interested.
You are a disgrace to a woman.
I hear. Good for you.
Nonsense.
So, my lady, if you know say you're not interested for this relationship, you don't already get one baby for this man. Why you never tell her ever since say You know they interested though. I don't want to. Everybody do you know your pikin can't take off on if not that one you really want. Why you go carry yourself so low? We never see the man when they talk to you pitch or so. But the way when the man say they cool, they mature, I don't know. It looks somehow. The way when the man say everything peacefully. I believe say maybe not the swag, no day. This three dada when this man put for head so the man don't get them. Now make you they don't follow this small boy so. Now make you they don't follow this one with balance inside bed so without no conscience at all for what they do. Sit down they answer question from another man. When I hear way for talk say no be for Benin say go along something like that say now everybody know what they find. That language supposed to don't ring bell for your head. Say, you want to go for second baby mother, baby mama, now you they go so. This thing they happen as the boy relax inside bed. You say you don't tell the boy everything about this man. The boy deny say you not tell her anything because now how you want to escape this situation when they for come catch and so now just they they your matter. They don't already talk and say everybody know what they find. I believe say not be woman when get mad when he comes here on Sunday come out and they tell her say get mad. Not be that kind of woman. This boy way like that for bed so relax one marry. Why you be say do women we be say we get respect not be small before and many of them just turn on herself to one kind chewing gum. Why una just carry on herself come take low for ground like this? As far as you dey you don't get baby for one man. Why you just stay with the man? Why? If you want even choose, you dey with this one now. You dey with this one. How many man you only you want carry? See this chungon boy now we put for inside bed now. We relax like say he dey entitled. If you see now, ask rent, they pay. Who look at paper, you not get because that language when they use, everybody know what you want. Now, so this one will see tear belly for you tomorrow. Now you go turn to send baby mama for second time. How una edo guess? How many of una will take get sense? How una when they engage for this type of low self-esteem behavior? When una go get sense and wake up and respect una self, put respect for your body. Know your worth. The man they talk to you now, you they roll for mat. You don't see anything talk. They don't they live life like this as a woman. You see the man face for video now. Nobody see the man face. Whether he brown or he blue or yellow now, nobody know. Nobody see him. The video through of now put on for internet and you think say this boy go pouring for you. No. You just chipping yourself because of 5 minutes and play. See the boy they learn for say your bed kike. Disgrace, shame. If there's someone that respect you, say now your own good pass. See now. So make we respect ourselves as women, make we respect ourselves as people, make people for respect us. If not, we not go ever get respect from anybody as people. We not go get. Now you they tell the man, if you figure this kind of tiger face, they tell the man, say you don't want the relationship. Why you not get this tiger face? Tell him on Sunday when the man comes, says, yo, I don't want this relationship again. We'll make everybody go their way. But no. Una will chop here, chop here, chop here, chop here. That is why many of una don't feel they responsible for una life. Una go born here. If your pikin come tomorrow, come see this kind of video. This now how you take break up with the man, with their father. It did nice. You can break up without drama. You can break up without problem. Then the man say you don't want to, or the man tell you say you don't want to marry you. No waste your time. But not be the one when you don't invite this boy come house. If you look this one up, 5 euro not come out for pocket. If you see the way we take balance inside bed, the loan stuff, you know say this one now something they find. They don't ready to wear. Everybody know what they find now. And if they dey with woman, if you never see the woman, he no go know. Which kind of explanation get when they give for the zero explanation? Now so you go stay there now. Tomorrow we will see the result. My sister, may you this one he happen say disgrace pass and come. I hope you will learn with this one. Both the boy, I hope you go learn. If get tell you say he get man, he dey occupy or whatever, let down the command, because tomorrow if you still carry this woman enter house tomorrow, karma go follow two of una. As far as say you deal with person before you go enter. They like that for bed kekeke. Karma go enter. One of the use una sense. One of the use una sense. Wait if he do so, go face it down to another person. Okay, face it down to you. When I wake up, so that's why I say I reach home. And the real to care, make all the real to care. When I got down, take care of yourself, love yourself, boost your self-esteem every day. Work on yourself. Make sure you be the dream woman, the woman you ever dream in your life to be. Make sure you be the best for yourself. Okay? I love all of you. Bye.
Oh yeah, like you understand?
Yeah.
Fine. In my way, maybe it didn't work on our cow, nearly I mean, you understand. But my granny, yeah, you understand. So, well, not go that way, because I don't know how, I do a cow one, you understand. I remember that way, work out more, whatever. So, when you do my way, I now ask the one, you understand. But at this point, at this moment, it went, but anyway. Okay,
well, okay. Sorry to say. Okay, what? We were very young now. We get na ham we. Or may say be the admit ba wanare. Gives you not you tell and say never tell come for you.
Which year?
We just come for this place.
No, the Sunday come for you.
Okay, also we but say was this Sunday.
We got travel, I tell them.
Because there that next year. I can't make way now for raw. Maybe or more go. Let's see what we are done with the call whatever. Okay. I also I call you, I'm coming, you understand? Or that again, I know. Okay. You understand? So, yeah.
Problem, remember, don't see. Understand? There is no problem. Because this life when we do so, you say in life, you never trust anybody.
Yeah. Because
this is the girl when me call yesterday. She tell me say she go come my city. She dey go assist outside, I don't know. Not be what you tell me.
Why I can't send me ticket?
Okay.
I go to God.
Now me I can't send you ticket when your boyfriend dey with you. Then I'll send you ticket when you go your sister. You want me use this boot take hit your mouth.
You want to wait?
No one more.
You want to wait?
Man, scatter your mouth for you.
Scatter am, I beg. Scatter am, I beg.
You know say this the same thing.
I don't tell you say I'm not married. You don't talk say you no go marry.
This the same thing.
Wait,
now
this is still tell your brother. I'm not the right tonton. Leave pass. Now what I still tell your brother? I'm not interested.
You are not interested. What do you call it? Say prostitute or that?
Anyone way you call her. Now my life, not be your life. I'm not interested.
You are a disgrace to a woman.
No, I hear. Good for you.
Nonsense.
They break everywhere, Casablanca. I both start to pass you fat and oil, very vital fat and oil. Now married woman, I be this normally. We know say yes, they never put money for her head, but as far as say you don't born for the guy man like this now, normally now, you are the guy man still the killer. You suppose put your head down, use your HQ, use your headquarters. You know understand? You may you know say yes normally now like this, so you never ready to settle down. You not go fuck me you born. Okay, you don't born one pikin for the gamma now on a lap normally. Then you still they carry the do. Who does that, Omoge? Who does that? Now carry do it so now they carry do for this my industry, so and we plaster follow now normally. You know understand? They say they're not the test person for this life. Now you go test yourself, use your headquarters, HQ. You know understand? A very any can you do is beyond this one. You get guy man you born for normally, they carry your boyfriend, they come and score the lash normally. Who does that?
He say
Say she don't want it again.